If you are a diabetic or know someone who is, I've got something other than insulin coming from the beta cells that you need to know about. My name's Bowie. I've had type 1 diabetes for over 21 years. I am healing naturally and sharing information as I go. As every diabetic knows, insulin is released by beta cells and facilitates the uptake of glucose from the blood into the cell to be used for energy. Becoming diabetic is the progressive or rapid loss of beta cell function so that insulin is not secreted anymore. But one thing they don't tell you about when you become diabetic is the other thing that beta cells create other than insulin. It's a little hormone called amylin. Amylin is co-secreted with insulin when you eat food. It paces your digestion, so it slows your digestion down as you're eating food so that your insulin, as it's released from your beta cells, can effectively manage your blood sugars without going too high or too low. If you do not have amylin, which if you are a type 1 diabetic, you have severely limited amylin, you have no means of pacing the digestion of your food. As you eat it, it's being passed through immediately into your small intestine. This is important to note because your injections for the food that you're eating are going to be for kind of that lump sum of food that you take in. Whereas if you had amylin, which is kind of slowing your digestion, making you feel full, then you would have to pace your insulin injections out, which would explain why myself, as having diabetes for the past 21 years, was always like I would eat a full meal and crush it, give myself that lump bolus, be totally okay, and be hungry in 45 minutes. Now, I definitely had enough food, but what I didn't have was amylin giving me the feedback, telling me, hey, listen, slow down, you're full, let us kind of process this and keep your blood sugars where they're supposed to be. And as part of what I've been doing to heal my pancreas and heal my endocrine system, I have felt full after a medium-sized meal compared to what I'm used to for the first time in my life. We're making progress, baby.